Ladies and germs, today we're doing a full review of the Oppo A77. I'm trying to get it out of its case. There we go. Here it is here, the Oppo A77. This is a great phone for the price. And we're going to go through all the things that Oppo claim about it and my opinion on those claims. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Now, just quickly before I get started, if you can, hit the thank you button down below and donate a couple of bucks to the channel just to keep things humming along nicely. If that's not possible, which I totally understand isn't possible for a lot of people, just hit the like button or share the video. Either way, I'm going to be really grateful. So what do you get for 499 Aussie dollars when it comes to Oppo? Specifically, the A77. Hang on, there's a dog barking. Can you hear the dog? Okay. There's a few claims here by Oppo, and I'm reading off my screen because my memory's failing. We have 90Hz display. On the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you don't get that for 750 Aussie dollars. So you get 90Hz here. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and that's a pretty big display. That's a pretty big phone. So your 5,000 milliamp hour battery is really good. We'll find out what it does in a minute. We have 33 watts super VOOC charging. So I think I'll quote the numbers in a second, but that's like fully charged in 63 minutes or something ridiculous. I wish everyone did super VOOC charging and put a case in the box like Oppo does. Thank you, Oppo. Then we have up to 5 gigabytes RAM extension, which is like that magical thing they do where you can extend the amount of RAM that's in your phone virtually, I guess. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Then we have ultra linear stereo speakers, which I think is pretty cool too. A lot of people always ask me, what are the speakers like? And it's one of those things that I forget to go through because I live in a busy house and I can't sit there and watch content without headphones in. So I always forget to check the speakers, but it's a talking point here. We're going to go through the speakers. But firstly, I'm going to just talk about the battery life, and the battery life is rigid, mate, because it's 33 watt, so in 69 minutes, I've just got the numbers here now, you get 100% charge. Now, my Google phone is about 2 hours to charge, so it's nowhere near as fast as this Oppo, which is it's a lot cheaper. Then we have 30 minutes is going to give you 53%, so amazing. I love that. You use your battery life and you come home, you stick it on charge for 30 minutes while you're having a shower and you've got 100% left and you can go out for the night. So that's pretty awesome. Now, with super power saving mode, they're claiming you can get up to 344 hours use out of this. And look, I didn't fully check that. But what I did do is use this phone as a bit of a daily driver for a few days to get a feel for it. And I can definitely say that as a mega heavy user, I was getting 2 full solid days out of it without having the stress. Now, Oppo are also claiming here that it does have a stylish design. And although I might not be that stylish and polished myself, I think they probably are onto something here. And if I just give you a quick look at the phone, look, there's the back of it. That's a pretty good looking phone. It is also surrounded by that domino look around the cameras. It is 7.99 millimeters thick, which is not thick at all. Actually, it's quite thin. And I do like that. It is a tall device. It is long. There's plenty of real estate here on the front for you to be able to see what you're doing. There's plenty of size there for grip, and 7.99 millimeters also makes it not too bulky. So it's the best of both worlds here. Now, just a quick reminder before we go into the next section, if you can, hit the thank you button down below. Donate a couple of bucks to the channel. If you can't afford that, hit the like button, share the video. I would really appreciate that too. Now let's keep moving. Now they do have 2 colors. We're talking midnight black and ocean blue. Obviously this is a midnight black color. I think they all look pretty good. I like the colors. We got USB Type-C, microphones, everything where it should be. On the left hand side, we have the volume up and down. On the right hand side, we have the power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner. I prefer it in display. If I had to have one, I'd really prefer it on the back. Now they are talking the 90 Hz color rich display, which I do like. I think it looks really nice. It's definitely smoother than 60 Hz, but it is hard to tell the difference for someone like me. But I appreciate that the technology is in here. It makes watching content and scrolling a little bit smoother of an experience. So if you're up for that, then you will be happy with it. I can get by with 60 Hz, but I won't say no to 90 Hz. Now we are talking a 48 megapixel camera on the back, and it also comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, so you can get some pretty good photos here. Now Oppo have a special science to their photos, and I do like what they're delivering. It can be a little bit on the oversaturated side, but for 99% of you, that's actually what you prefer. Like if you hold two photos up and one's oversaturated, most people are going to go with that one. Now it's not killer oversaturation, but it's a little bit, enough for it to be quite eye-catching. That 48 megapixels gives you enough detail as well. I don't think you'll be disappointed with that. And then the videos coming in at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Enough to capture great home videos. I think the MediaTek 810 chipset powered with this camera give you the results that you would expect, and I really do like it. So in the camera mode, we have powerful night light vision, we have video 1080p, then we have your standard photo mode, then we have portrait mode, then we have extra high definition mode, we have panorama mode, we have pro mode, we have slow-mo, we have time lapse, and then you can also do stickers as well on your camera. So there's plenty of options here for playing around with the camera and getting some really good results. Now with that photography, it does actually recognize 22 different scenes. I think it's a worthy little camera. I do. I like it. Front facing camera is not too bad as well. I mean, it gets enough done for you to be able to take selfies and share them on social media. For everything else, I would just use the rear facing camera. Now it is launching with ColorOS 12.1. I do wish it was maybe a bit more up to date on the software side of things, but we've got to remember where it sits in the market at $499. ColorOS itself, I don't have a problem with that at all. It's a good, different flavor of Android and performs really well. Oppo have optimized it to do the best that it can with the MediaTek chipset, and it is a really snappy and pleasant experience. Now, it might not cut through video editing as good as some of the others, but that's not really why you're buying this device. You're getting this device for the battery life, for the 90 Hz, for the big display, for the price, and also for the can-do camera. Now it does come in a 128 gigabyte variant with 4 and 6 gigs of RAM. I've got the 6 gig. I've really been happy with its performance, and it's coming in starting at $449. So I think the 6 gig is $499. So either way, you'll probably see it on special at some point anyway, so you're going to get it cheaper than that. This is a great buy for the price. It sits into that $400 to $500 price point with some really good technology in here, some really good features, and an overall pleasant experience. You know, then you've got your Oppo Reno 8 series or your Reno series, which is probably next level up, and then you've got your X series, which is the higher end Oppos. So Oppo have covered all spectrums of the market here for price point and performance. So we all know where the A77 fits. Thank you for watching. If you like this video at any point, hit the like button or share the video. If you think, hey, that was really cool, I'm glad I watched this, then you could hit the thank you button and donate a couple of bucks to the channel. And if you're really generous, you could donate 50 bucks. But neither of it's expected. Help out if you can. I really appreciate it. These videos are sponsored by me and me only. No one pays me to do any videos. I get ad revenue, and then everything else is me, myself, and I. So, thank you button. If not, like button. Catch us all in the next video. Check out.